Good morning, dear students. Today we will start respiratory system, and today's topic is meaning of respiration and respiration system. So students, firstly we discuss about meaning of respiration. Meaning of respiration. So students, the requirement of oxygen is indispensable for the human body. Our body needs a continuous supply of oxygen to survive. That is the meaning of respiration. Then after students, respiration system. So students, the system in which human beings inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide is known as human respiratory system. The human respiratory system is composed of various organs which play a vital role in the process of respiration. So students, here are many types of organs. These are participate in respiration system. So first is nose. So students, here nose is divided into two parts: external feature and internal or nasal cavities. So first is nose. So it has significant role in respiration. It consists of two parts. So firstly we discuss about external features. So students, the external features of the nose is composed of a triangular framework of the bone and cartilage covered by skin. These are two oval shaped openings called nostrils. Second is internal or nasal cavities. So students, air enters in the nasal passage. These passages serve as moistener, a filter, and to warm up the air before it reaches the lungs. The hair in the nasal passages prevent the dust particles and other foreign bodies from entering. Second is pharynx. So pharynx, the pharynx is a funnel shaped tube that connects our nasal and oral cavities to larynx. After the nasal cavities, air passes through pharynx. The third is larynx. So students, after pharynx, air passes through larynx or voice box. It is composed mainly of cartilage. It consists of two pairs of membranes. Air causes the vocal cords to vibrate, thus producing sound. The fourth is trachea. So trachea, after larynx, air passes into trachea, that is also named as windpipe. The trachea is a tube with cylindrical shape. Its length is about 11.2 centimeter with a diameter of 2 to 2.5 centimeter. The walls of trachea are made of hyaline cartilages. The fifth is bronchi. So students, bronchi, there are two bronchi that branch off from the trachea. These structures are referred to as the right and left primary bronchi. These primary bronchi branch off into bronchial tree where air passes through the secondary bronchi, which enters the lobes within the lungs. The number 6 is bronchiales. So student, bronchiales are the first finished conducting pathway within the respiratory system. These bronchiales are the last pathway for air before it reaches the alveoli, where it is combined with blood. The number 7, lungs. Lungs is the main part of the respiratory system. There are two lungs in human body. Lungs are the vital organs for respiration. These are cone shaped organs with the apex above. The exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between blood and air occurs through the walls of alveoli. The number 8 is diaphragm. So students, the diaphragm is the primary muscle used in the process of inspiration. It is a dome shaped sheet of muscle that is instead into the lower ribs. It performs an important function in respiration. The last one is alveoli. So students, the alveoli are as where oxygen is transferred into the blood in exchange of carbon dioxide. It means that gas exchange take place in alveoli. Air is diffused into the blood through various chemicals reactions. So students, we learn about these organs. These organs are participating in our respiration system. So students, I hope you understand properly. Thank you. Have a marvelous day.